It was a normal sunny day, just like any other day.
On this nice, bright, sunny day, there's reason for everyone to say, I'm feeling more than just okay. You share and show our feelings, and it matters because
Paul called your name, and you couldn't explain what your body went through, taking in all this pain. This moment's not a game. The spectators was good to see you go down the drain and almost lay your head. So just don't be afraid. This world is full of sin, so let the water dilate and flow through your veins. I'm here to tell you today, MCMV all day.
Are you okay? Marjorie, are you okay? Can you hear me?
drizzle underwater. Get up because we all need you today.
The next thing I know, I'm on the floor and I hear a lot of noise. I can't open my mouth. I can't open my eyes either. My eyes were watery and I felt like I was blinking very fast. I felt a lot of people touching me. I heard Paul yelling my name and the police asking what's her name.
All in all, I think back to that day, and it mainly relates to one thing. That's our theme: water.
Started from the bottom, I could've just stopped. It hurt to see you fall down just like a raindrop. Paul called your name, and you couldn't explain what your body went through, taking in all this pain. This moment's not a game. The spectators was good to see you go down the drain and almost lay your head. So just don't be afraid. This world is full of sin, so let the water dilate and flow through your veins. I'm here to tell you today, MCMV all day.
Are you okay? Marjorie, are you okay? Can you hear me?
Drizzle underwater. Get up because we all need you today.
Drizzle.
creating something in the light, making something, making people feel right, helping others reach their height and celebrate this life.